Question 7 states whether the triangles are congruent. You're going to provide the theorem name if the triangles are congruent. Right? So let's take a look at this. Let's label it. Here we have a side. Okay, these are congruent. Then we have an angle, which is that corner. Then we have another side. So we can say this is congruent by side, angle, side. Okay. And then what about this one? Oh, it's actually the same. Angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Okay, so this is, sorry, angle, side, angle. Side, side, angle, side. So this is going to be congruent. It was the same question. Congruent by side, angle, side. Okay. Here, really hard to tell, but please understand there's vertical angles. This is reflexive property. It gets you this side. Here's an angle and here's an angle. So this is congruent by angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. And the last one looks like an angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. So we can say this is going to be congruent by side, by angle, side, angle. Okay, so there you go. So the only mistake was B was repeated twice. All right, there you go. That is how you prove that the triangles are congruent using the congruency triangles.